Alright, we're going to learn some other cool tricks and tools that you can use in SketchUp. Some different shapes that you can make, and just some different things. So I'm going to start with some of my 2D shapes here on the ground. I'll just do those two. And I'm going to make them 3D, so once again, we always make things 3D before we do anything to them. Okay? Now there are a couple cool tools here. If you go to the push and pull that we were just on, and you choose the follow me, and you choose the outer rim here. Nope, sorry, that's the wrong tool. Disregard what I just said. You're going to choose the one below it, offset, and you choose the outer rim. It makes a perfect circle on the inside, so that if you want a little hole on the inside or make like a little cylinder case, you can keep pushing lines and it makes it exactly the same. So you can see here, everything needs to be 3D, so if you're making a dish or something, you need to have a little depth or width to it. Now I made this line on accident, so if I use the erase tool, I can just erase it and get rid of it. Then I can take my push-pull tool, and I can actually, oop, didn't choose it, hold on. Sometimes they're really finicky. And you can push-pull it down, and then it makes almost like a dish, okay? Now you don't want to pull it down too far because it needs to be still 3D in the bottom so it 3D prints or anything. And then this guy you can push-pull up, push-pull in, kind of just makes a different shape, okay? Or you can make it concave, which looks kind of cool. Okay? Different ways you can do those tools. I'm going to delete these and we're going to talk about something else that you can do. So again, I'm going to go with my cylinder, my polygon shape. Sorry, my allergies are awful right now. Ragweed is super high. Okay, now some other cool things you can do with the pencil tool. Okay, we just did it on a box yesterday. What you can do with the pencil tool, which is kind of neat, is if you run it going across a bunch of different ways on the top of this guy. You can do a bajillion different ways. I'm just going to do that, or even this one you can do it too. Okay, and then you grab your push-pull tool. You can raise them up and almost make like stairs or different shapes using this. So there's a bunch of different ways you can make cool shapes using the pencil tool in just a 3D shape without doing anything too fancy. Okay? So there's some cool shapes. Now there's also the paint tool, which I saw some of you guys kind of messed around with yesterday. That's totally cool when we're playing right now and goofing around with this stuff. You can use the paint tool. What you need to make sure that you are doing though is that when you make your 3D print, none of it is painted. Okay, that's important because I can't see if there's errors in your 3D print, and if it's painted, I can't help you fix it. Okay, so you can see there's a whole bunch of, like if you make a house or something, there's asphalt, there's different colors, there's carpet, there's roofing materials that you can do, water, so if you make a pool, you can do water. So your job is to make something colorful in different shapes for me today. So you can use the water, you can use the paint to do some really cool stuff, okay? Again, it will not 3D print like this, and when you make your 3D print, you cannot use the paint. But now is your chance to play and mess around with it. Okay?